What's up everybody? Welcome to today's Monday video. Today we are not going to be talking about the usual stint about, oh yeah, a music video makeup Monday. We will have another makeup video coming out on Thursday, but today we are going to talk about something even more important, and that is going to be cleaning your brushes. Yes, cleaning your brushes, because so many people don't do it and it's so darn important. So just to give you a few tips of what we are going to talk about in this video, we're going to talk about how to actually clean your brushes, the importance of cleaning your brushes, and how often you should basically wash your brushes. So if you're interested in brush talk, keep on watching. So when it comes to brushes, how often should you wash your brushes? I'm gonna say it's gonna depend on your usage, your pigmentation, how much you do your makeup in a day, things like that. But on general, I like to wash my brushes at least once a week. I start to see the buildup, and especially when it comes to like foundation application and things like that, if you don't wash your brushes, you are going to see that you're gonna start developing acne. You're gonna start developing clogged pores and grossness and not good stuff. When it comes to the importance of them, like I said, if you do not wash your brushes at least once a week, you are subject to buildup, you are subject to getting acne and just messing up your skin, messing up your eyes, etc. When it comes to doing makeup, especially on friends, I know I've seen a lot of young girls in general, sharing their brushes, this, that, and the other. When I was in makeup school, my makeup teacher scared the poop out of us and basically said that if you don't wash your brushes before you do someone's face, you can risk them getting an infection. And there have been stories of people using a brush that hasn't been properly cleaned on a client, and the client getting all sorts of eye infections, to the point where the eye swells, to the point where they can get like a staph type of infection. I've heard a crazy story where there was a woman who had her makeup done and like had to go to the hospital because her eye was swelling so much. Can't remember if she went blind, I don't know. But I wouldn't think that it's far-fetched, especially if the brush was used by someone who was a little bit dirtier than you in advance. So, side note, that's more of a makeup artist problem as opposed to someone who does it for themselves. But it's just something for you to know that it is extremely, extremely, extremely important to clean your brushes for your own safety, for your friend's safety, for your client's safety, all of that. Now let's go ahead and jump in and talk about the proper way to clean your brushes. When you are cleaning your brushes, right, you've got a dirty brush like this. When you are washing your brushes, it is important to use a soap of some sort that is specifically for your brushes. Don't be using some random dish soap because you don't know how that's going to affect your skin at the end of it. So make sure you get a specific soap that will assist you in that process. You can find those makeup soaps, honestly, at the local drugstore, at a makeup store, all of that. They have the proper soaps that you need to use. When you are using the soap, what you're going to want to do is go to your restroom, use like a lukewarm, hot kind of water, pour the soap onto your hand, and then use your fingers and just kind of do a swirling motion on your hands in order to get it nice and sudsed up. Keep spinning it around till you hit all those bristles, and then from there you rinse your brush under the sink, which has the warm hot water. When you're washing the brush, it's important not to have the brush face upright into the sink, but facing downwards. Why is that? If you put water directly into your brush going down, this shaft part is going to get wet, and then you can be susceptible to getting mold in your brushes if it doesn't dry out properly. So you're better off not even exposing this upper shaft to water and just having it be directly down. So when you're rinsing it, just rinse it as so, as opposed to like this, just like this. And it's a good way to scrub as the water is pouring on it directly. When it comes to the drying process is just as important. I don't think you should lay it flat on your table, just flat chilling there on a towel. The way that I like to do it is hang it off of the edge of a countertop or a table or whatever. That way, especially if you hang it past the shaft, the water will drip down directly and it won't stay put. Because again, if you lay it on a towel directly, the water is going to soak underneath the towel and then soak into the brush, and then again, you are possibly susceptible to getting some mold in the shaft of your brush. So these are my top tips that I have when it comes to washing them. It is very important to, like I said, wash it at least once a week and to do it the proper way. This is the way I wash my brushes. Everyone is gonna be different, but hopefully these few little tips that I had for you guys will help you guys in your process and maintaining your cleanliness of your brushes. Please go get cleaning. It's very important, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And P.S. if you like this makeup look, it's gonna be out on Thursday. See ya!